you doing? I just got back from C Plus to get some gum. I found something really bad. It's not my tooth, but it's gonna hurt it. So I guess I'm gonna put my gum over here. Look, okay. Look at this one. Looks like a big tooth, but it's still painful. So I might have to talk like this in the video. But I came back and I found this. Yeah. It's a dead bird. I grabbed the stick and I was like, is it dead? And then I kind of touched it and it's not breathing. I'm like, yep, it's dead. So I'm gonna put it in a bag and then just probably leave it in the yard, I guess. I guess it's like how animals are ribs. See, it's definitely dead. Look, don't flip it like a pancake. Just don't flip it. Get it under there. I'm just wanting to, no. Oh, so gross. It's just so sad. Poor bird. Whoa. Oh, I thought it was not dead. Is it? No, it's just getting pushed into the building and then other stuff. Ugh. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, okay. I think I got it. Yep. Okay. Now. Oh, I did it. Now let's tie it up a bit. Oh man, it's so sad. Alright, tied up the bag. I'm gonna go back to the house. You're there. Alright. So, I guess put it right here. I guess I'm just gonna leave it here, I guess. It's not staying up like I wanted to. Fine. I guess it's have a good day in heaven, little birdie. Alright, actually.